Church of St. Mary, Sutton Maddock, Telford. St. Mary's Tower dates from 1579. The rest of the church was rebuilt in 1888 by Nicholson of Hereford. It is listed Grade 2. It has a well-preserved tower, which is rare in a major church building, of the later 16th century. The late 19th century nave and chancel, by the prolific Herefordshire architect Thomas Nicholson, is almost entirely unaltered. Fittings include some good quality stained glass. Very typical Anglican window, the Baptism of Christ, which is baptism, and Christ wreaths little children, which is not baptism. A very nice east window. You can see here the crucifixion in the center, and the Nativity and Baptism of Christ. Then you have the resurrection and the ascension. Angels John the Baptist and the Virgin Mary. The organ is by J. W. Walker Sons, London, 1889. Thank you for watching.